I checked even yesterday. Your work hasn't been uploaded.
Teacher, I upload at evening.
Email? Where have you uploaded, Zainab? I'm not getting.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, teacher?
Zainab? Assalam. Girls, I already have uploaded the worksheet, the second worksheet, right? Today we'll do this in the class, and later you can get the printout of it to prepare for the exam. Zainab Tokir, Zainab Tokir, what are you saying that you have uploaded?
Teacher, I'll upload at evening.
Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. If you don't upload today, then so sorry. I'll have to mention your name in the WhatsApp group.
Can we do the worksheet in a rough copy?
Yes, you can. But for now, hold on. Okay, now here is the worksheet. I hope that every one of you can view my screen. And Mahira is in the meeting.
Teacher, do we have to print this out?
It's your choice. You can get the printout later, and you can do this as a practice, right? For your exams. Why are there only 9 girls so far?
Teacher, this is a worksheet, not in the booklet.
Yes, this is not in the booklet. Alina Tahir, you unmute your mic, Alina. Alina, are you on the seat? Alina. See, that's why I ask you to please turn your cameras on. I do not know whether you are on the seat or not. How would I know? Umme Abiha is not in the meeting.
Teacher, she is.
Umme Abiha, no, she is not. Okay, let us start. Do please remind me, I need to talk to Umme Abiha, Alina, and Mahira.
Teacher, or maybe is in the meeting.
Why can't I see her? Okay, yes, Sayyida Umme Abiha. Umme Abiha, please turn your camera on and unmute your mic. Why are you not replying? Umme Abiha. Yes, Umme Abiha, why didn't you upload your work in the last meeting? Even I reminded you that your work of religion and languages hasn't been uploaded. You didn't upload up till now. Unmute your mic, Umme Abiha. I can't hear you, Umme Abiha. Okay, let us start the lesson. Umme Abiha, I'll talk to you later. I cannot wait. I cannot keep the other girls waiting for you. Okay, I hope that we have done the worksheet, the last worksheet.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, we have done. Okay, now today we'll do this worksheet. As I told you that you can get the printout of it later and can do this for your for the sake of the revision, and no need to upload this worksheet. This is only for the practice. Okay, now let us start with it. Dash. The Dash civilization flourished in about 2600 BCE. Let us start with Amna Asan. Yes, Amna Asan. The Dash civilization flourished. Now concentrate on the date 2600 BCE. Which civilization was it that the World Bank is given?
Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization.
Very good. Maham, can you tell me the Gandhara art of sculpture was influenced by whom? Who introduced this art in the Indus Valley, in the subcontinent?
Greek.
Very good. They were the Greeks. Zainab, can you tell the next one? Jainism spread within? Zainab, hurry up. We do not have time. If you do not know, let me know so that I can ask someone else.
Yes, teacher.
Hold on, hold on. Yes, Jainism spread within. Jainism is the name of the religion, right? Where did it spread? Okay, Nawal Imran, you tell me.
Yes, teacher.
Jainism spread within
India.
Very good. Jainism spread within India. Okay, what was the name of the founder of this religion? Sikhism. Sikhism was preached by whom? Tuba Seed, can you tell me? Tuba, can you tell me please? Tuba is in the meeting.
Teacher, can you show me the page? The meeting.
It is not in the booklet, dear. I'm telling you that this is your worksheet that we have made for you for the revision weeks. Okay, Shazeen, can you tell me Sikhism was preached by whom?
Teacher, Shazeen is not in the meeting.
Shazeen is not in the meeting either.
I also want to say one more thing that where are these all of the worksheets?
I have distributed these worksheets. You can find them in your channel of social studies.
What is the page name?
Ayla,
They are.
I'm telling you that these worksheets we have made and have uploaded, distributed these worksheets. You can find them in your section of social studies. They are not in the booklet.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Okay, then she's not in the meeting either. Hafsa Nadeem, can you tell me Sikhism was preached by whom? Hafsa is not in the meeting either. Allahu Akbar. How many girls are absent today?
Teacher, I think Hafsa is stuck. Teacher, Hafsa is in the meeting.
Hafsa, hurry up. Hafsa.
Teacher,
I think she is not on the seat.
Reen is asking if the meeting is started, I think.
Okay, Sarah, can you tell me Sikhism was preached by whom? Sarah Irfan, you can take the help from the word bank. Sarah, what is the name of the founder of Sikhism?
Teacher, Shazeen saying to invite her.
Okay, hold on.
That's the Urdu channel. Teacher, Shazeen, I don't think she joined the Urdu one.
Okay, let me invite you. Her name is Shazeen Tariq.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Mahira, you are here. Mahira, I asked you in the last meeting too. Even I reminded you again to upload your work. You haven't uploaded up till now. I just checked before the class. You didn't upload your work of religion and languages. Communication and transport is also incomplete. May I know the reason? Unmute your mic, Mahira.
Teacher, I sent you the I sent it.
When?
The communication transport.
It is incomplete. I am telling you this work is incomplete. Please upload it again. Complete work booklet. Complete booklet work. And then what about your religion and languages? You didn't upload the work of religion and languages either.
Teacher, can you check about the religion and languages?
Religion and languages and communication and transport both. After this period, you will have to delete those pages of communication and transport, upload your communication and transport again, and religion and languages too. Are you getting, Mahira?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, girls. Now Sikhism. Okay, who knows the answer? Sikhism was preached by?
Teacher, can I tell Sarah?
Teacher,
can I tell him?
It was Guru
Guru Nanak.
Nanak. Can you tell me the place of the birth of his? Let me give you the hint that the name of the place has been derived from his name. His name is Guru Nanak. What is the name of the place where he took birth? It is in Pakistan.
Teacher, can I tell Zoha?
Yes, Zoha.
Guru Nanak Sahib.
Nankana Sahib. Right? It is what? It is Nankana Sahibga. And Zoha, please upload your work of communication and transport. You haven't uploaded this work. Okay, next one. Dash was the most famous ruler. Mahira, can you tell me who was the most famous ruler of Kushans? You can take the help from the word bank.
The Kushans.
Yes.
Tanis.
Yes. His name was Tanishka. Okay, now the next one. Dash is ways of moving goods and people from one place to another. Yes, Maha? What is that?
Shipping.
Dash is the ways of moving goods and
Transport.
yes, it is what? It is transport. The main transport systems are roads, railways, railways, dash, and shipping. 3 transport systems have been mentioned. One is missing. Can you tell me, Ayla, which one is missing? Ayla?
What, teacher?
There, the 3 transport systems have been mentioned here, right? Roads, railways, and shipping. One is missing. Which is that one? You can take the help from the word bank.
Airways.
Yes, it is airways. Okay, now you tell me, Nawal Imran, there are dash domestic airports and dash international airports. Can you tell me the number of the domestic airports?
There are 42 domestic airports.
International airports?
And there are 12 international airports.
Good. There are 42 domestic airports and there are 12 international airports. Can you tell me, Sara Ali, the Holy Book of Parsis is called, what is the name of the Holy Book of Parsis?
Avesta.
Yes, very good. It is called Avesta.
Teacher, I just want to ask you something that in the worksheet, one of them is the answer sheet and one of them is the question paper. Teacher, can you go up?
Sorry, Ayla, what are you saying? I didn't get.
In the social studies channel, the worksheet, one of them are the answer key and one of them is the question, right? Oh,
Both are the worksheet. The first worksheet is the one which we did the last week. This is the second worksheet that we are doing now.
okay.
Okay.
Both have the answers, right?
Teacher, can
No,
you
they
go
are not
up for
answer
a
keys.
minute?
But
They-
both are having the answers.
Both? No, that is Ayla. You are checking the content library?
Yes.
No, not your own. I'm asking. I have distributed this worksheet in your own channel of social studies.
Okay.
You can find these both worksheets there.
Okay.
Teacher, can you
Okay.
go up for a minute?
Manahil, what are you saying?
Can you go up for a minute?
Okay, I can. Here? Done? Okay, Manahil, you tell me the Christian's place of worship is?
Yes.
Where do the Christians worship? What is the name of that place where they go and worship?
Of worship is church.
Yes. And can you tell me that who worship in Gurdwara? Hafsa Nadeem, can you tell me who worship in Gurdwara? Hafsa, hurry up. Hafsa, unmute your mic, Hafsa. Okay, who knows that who worship in Gurdwara? Anyone? 6. Right? The founder of Sikhism is Guru Nanak, right? And the place where they go and worship is called Gurdwara. And temple, we know that in temple the Hindu and Parsis, they both worship. Okay, what is the most modern and quickest means of communication?
Teacher, can I tell?
Is it letter, email, or radio? Shazeen is in the meeting now. Shazeen, are you here? Has she joined the class or not yet?
She has, teacher.
Yes, Shazeen.
Teacher, I'm here.
Shazeen, what is the most modern and quickest means of communication? Is it letter, email, or radio?
Email.
Yes, it is email. Okay, where is Mohenjo-daro located? Yes, you tell me whom I haven't yet asked.
Can I answer?
Okay, answer. Tell. Where is Mohenjo-daro located?
Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh.
Yes, good. It is located in Sindh. Okay, Aiza is in the meeting, girls.
Yes, teacher.
Aiza, who brought the new language Sanskrit to the Indus Valley? Mauryans, Aryans, Parsis. Yes, Aiza. Where is Aiza? Aiza is not in the meeting.
Teacher, can I answer?
Zainab, you tell. Zainab, were the Mauryans, Aryans, or Parsis? Who introduced this language in the Indus Valley? It is so easy. We have learned about it, and there is a question as well.
Teacher, can I?
Okay. Zainab, you
The
haven't started preparing for the exams. Very bad. Okay, Sarah Irfan, you tell me.
Teacher, the Aryans.
Yes, they were the Aryans. Aryans, remember they brought a new religion to. Can you tell me, Maham Rehan, what is the name of the religion that they brought?
Hinduism.
Yes, the new religion that they brought to the Indus Valley was Hinduism. Girls, please turn your cameras on. Hurry up. Okay, in which province is Mehergarh located? Can you tell me, Zoha? Can you tell me in which province is Mehergarh located? Is it Balochistan, Sindh, or Punjab?
Balochistan.
Yes. Zoha, is it Balochistan, Sindh, or Punjab?
Teacher, she said Balochistan.
Yes, it is Balochistan. Okay, now the next one, correct the wrong statements, right? It is. Okay, who will correct the first one?
Teacher, can I?
Okay, correct.
15,000 people were killed in the Battle of Kalinga.
Very good. 150,000 people were killed in the Battle of
Kalinga.
Very good. Okay, meanwhile, you start reading the next one.
Can I take the next, Sarah Irfan?
Yes, Sarah Irfan.
PIA has more than 40 aircraft.
Well, yes, PIA has more than more than 40 aircraft. Okay, Mahira, can you tell the next one? Ashoka was the prince who lived in India about 2,500 years ago. Remember, we discussed about this prince who abandoned his palace and started roaming around the land to get the answers which were to the questions which were in his mind. And then he became the enlightened one. And he was the founder of a religion too. What is the name of that prince? Yes, Mahira. Mahira, do you know the answer or not? Mahira, are you on the seat? I think she is not on the seat. Okay, who knows the answer? Any one of you?
Teacher, can I tell?
Tell.
I'm Gautama Buddha.
Very good. He was Gautama Buddha. And what is the name of the religion which he started? Let me give you the hint that the name of the religion has been derived from his name.
Yes, teacher, Buddhism.
Yes, it was Buddhism. Okay, now the next one. The Hindus worship in churches. Manahil Farhan, can you correct it? The Hindus worship in churches.
The Hindus worship in temples.
Yes, there is another way of correcting it.
Can I correct it?
Christians
Yes.
worship in churches.
Christians worship in churches.
Churches.
Okay. Now the next one. Amna Asim, a dialect of the people of Eastern Sindh is?
Thari.
Yes. How will you write it?
Yes.
The dialect of the Eastern Sindh is?
Thari.
Okay, now the next one. Let me correct first this word. Okay. Now this is what one word answer. Who follow the teachings of their spiritual leaders Zoroaster? See, we follow our the teachings of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, right? We are called Muslims. Similarly, those people who follow the teachings of Zoroasters, what are they called?
Can I tell?
First.
Yes,
Parsis.
Parsis, right? They are called Parsis, right? And these are those people who keep the sacred flame alight in their temples, right? And their spiritual leader is Zoroaster. And the book that we have already learned that their holy book is called Avesta. Okay, when was Pakistan International Airlines started?
In 1903.
No, it was 1903. Even Pakistan didn't come into being in 1903. Pakistan came into being in 1947. So how can Pakistan start?
1955.
It was 1955. Very good. It was 1903. Girls, listen to me. 1903 was the year when the first aeroplane was flown. Right? When it was invented. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, now the next one is also very easy. That which civilization lived around the plains of the river Indus?
Teacher, can I answer?
Yes.
Indus Valley Civilization.
Yes, it was Indus Valley civilization. Okay, which university was set up by Nanda dynasty? Nawal Imran, you tell me.
Nanda University.
Not Nanda, it is Nalanda, right? Nanda is the name of the dynasty, right? From Nanda, the university's name has been derived, that is called Nalanda.
Can I answer the fifth one?
Yes.
Mohenjo-daro means Mount of Death.
Yes, Mohenjo-daro means the Mount of
Dead.
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 Yes. Okay, Urdu is the national language of Japan.
False.
It is false, right? I will write it later. You can tell the answers. Transport means ways of keeping in touch with someone else.
False.
False. And the first trains were built by when first time the train's engine was invented. Was it run by the steam? Was it powered by the steam?
True.
Yes. It was what? It was steam. And the founder of Buddhism was Gautama Buddha.
True.
True. The Romans were the first one who built the roads.
True.
Right? Okay, guys. Thank you. This worksheet's answer key is there in the content library.
Teacher, okay, teacher.
And you can get the printout of the worksheet and can do that worksheet to prepare for the exam. And if you are confused about the answer key is in the content library here, right? And I'm waiting for the work, Mahira and the other girl, Zainab. Please upload your work, okay?
Okay. Yes.
I'm waiting. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.